Hello, this is Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Let's begin with our first story. As per a research article published in a prestigious journal, The Lancet, Sputnik 5 has been found to be 91.6% effective against coronavirus infection. This information has come from the results of Phase 3 clinical trials conducted on around 20,000 individuals. Even before the results were announced, the Sputnik 5 has been used for vaccination drives in Russia. In India, Dr. Reddy Lab is conducting its clinical trials to check its effect in India. Another good news has come regarding the indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. Based on a study conducted by Bharat Biotech, Covaxin, which is a whole virus inactivated vaccine, has been found effective against the dangerous UK strain. As per the report, the blood samples of 26 recipients of Covaxin were tested to neutralize UK strains, and results indicated that it was effective in doing so. ICMR has also announced that Covaxin may provide immunity against UK strains. Moving on to our next story. As per a recent Sero survey conducted in New Delhi, 56.13% of Delhiites have the antibodies against coronavirus. This means that a large proportion of the population in Delhi were exposed to the corona infection knowingly or unknowingly and have recovered. The Sero survey was conducted in all the 11 districts of Delhi, and it was found that 49.09% of people residing in North Delhi district have the antibodies, whereas 62.18% of Southeast district population have the antibodies. For this survey, blood samples were taken from 28,000 samples between January 15 and January 23 and were tested for the presence of coronavirus antibodies. This survey was the fifth Sero survey conducted in Delhi, and as per the Delhi government, it is the largest Sero survey conducted in various Indian states so far. The last Sero survey in India was conducted between October 15 and October 21 last year, when antibodies were found in 25.53% of Delhiites. Are you scared of syringes and wondering how to get vaccinated for coronavirus? Well, your problem may get sorted out soon. Various pharma companies and startups are trying to come up with an oral pill vaccine. Imagine just taking a pill with water to get vaccinated. Isn't it intriguing? This way of vaccination will be far more convenient and economic. If such a vaccine is found effective and safe, vaccination drives could be conducted without the need for healthcare workers and other trained medical staff. The major companies which are working on this pill vaccine are Vaxart and iOS Bio. This vaccine tablet, developed by the California-based biotech company Vaxart, has shown promising results in hamster, where it successfully induced an immune response and significantly reduced the lung viral load. This oral vaccine is currently in the clinical trial stage. iOS Bio is another UK-based firm which has also developed a vaccine pill. The company will conduct the clinical trials of this pill together with California-based Immunity Bio company. If these vaccine pills show favorable results in clinical trials, it will save a lot of cost and time involved in vaccination drives. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care.